GitKraken has an MCP server that can improve your AI workflows with the power of your Git and issue tracking providers. You can access your workspaces and the rest of your GitKraken features directly from your chosen AI agents and IDEs. We have put a lot of effort into getting started with the GitKraken MCP server in GitLens and making it as effortless as possible. First, make sure you have updated GitLens to its latest version. In VS Code, in many cases, the server is installed for you automatically. Simply open the Copilot sidebar and run a prompt that would use one of our tools, such as, "What issues are assigned to me?" You should see a prompt in the Copilot sidebar that asks you to approve the use of one of our MCP tools called Issues Assigned to Me. In some other cases, you may need to install the server manually. This can happen in Cursor and other VS Code-based IDEs, as well as rarely in VS Code itself. Luckily, the manual install process is a single command. Using the command palette, search for GitLens install GitKraken MCP server. This will install the MCP server into your GitLens-powered IDE. Once installed, you can inspect the MCP tools available to you. In VS Code, you would open the Copilot window. Then, make sure you are in agent mode and click the Tools icon. This will list all MCP tools available to you, including those that come pre-installed. Scroll to the bottom and you will see the GitKraken MCP server. In Cursor, you can open the MCP settings and expand the list of tools under the GitKraken MCP server's listing. Windsurf, Kiro, and other IDEs have their own ways of listing these tools, and we encourage you to check out our Help Center for more instructions for new editors as we add them. That's it. You now have the MCP server installed and can begin prompting your AI agents with the help of GitKraken. We hope you enjoy the experience, and please let us know if you have any feedback or questions.